How to download and install Dead by Daylight on PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Dead by Daylight on PC or laptop. So for that keys, first thing, go ahead and install Steam. Type in steampower.com. That's going to take you to the official page. It's a very simple process to go ahead and install Steam. So go ahead and press on install Steam from the top right and go ahead and select the device that you're installing on. When you've done that, what you need to do is next, you need to go ahead and run the installation. When you're done installing Steam, now go ahead and create your account. As you're done creating your account as well, then you have to go to the stores from the home section, from the dashboard itself. And while you're on this page, go ahead and look for the game that you wish to download. That is Dead by Daylight. Go ahead and type in that. When you locate the following game, then you have to go ahead and click on add to cart. Next page is going to take you to the payment section where you have to go ahead and enter in your payment details and all that. Once you've successfully purchased the game, you could go ahead and download and install the game, and you could go ahead and play the game. So that's how you can download and install Dead by Daylight on PC or laptop. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.